Father, I'm desperate for you. Not empty words. I need your presence. I need your touch, Lord. Yeah. I've walked alone. I've stood in storms, fought silent battles till I had no strength left in me. People saw my smile, but they never knew how many nights I cried just to reach for you. I've carried burdens too heavy to hold, standing in the shadows with a heart so cold. But deep inside me, there's still a desperate cry. Lord, if you don't help me, I will surely die. Break every wall inside me, shake this weary soul, and resurrection power take complete control. I need your touch, Lord, like the dry land needs the rain. Pour your spirit on me, heal this hidden pain. I need your touch, Lord, set my heart on fire. Pull me from the ashes, lift me higher and higher. I need your touch, Lord, without you I will fall. You are my strength forever, my everything, my all. I need your touch, Lord, come and make me whole. Breathe upon these dry bones, revive my thirsty soul. There are chains around me, only you can break. There are doors before me, only you can shake. The enemy keeps whispering that I'll never rise, but your voice is louder, and it silences the lies. I've seen you heal the broken, I've seen you raise the weak, I've seen you move the mountains for those who truly see. So here I am, surrendered, nothing left to hide. Take every shattered piece of me and breathe your life inside. Touch my spirit, touch my heart, pull the darkness far apart. Touch my weakness, touch my pain. Let revival fall like rain. I won't leave this place unchanged. I won't leave the way I came, till your glory floods this room, till your fire consumes my soul. Chains are breaking now, strongholds falling now. Heaven is moving now. I can feel your power. Every prison door is opening, every dry bone rising, every wounded heart healing by the power of Jesus Christ. I need your touch, Lord, more than silver, more than gold. Only you can satisfy this longing in my soul. I need your touch, Lord. Let your glory fall till every fear inside of me is shattered by your love. I need your Jesus, touch me again, fill me again, revive me again. I surrender all, I surrender all. I need your touch, Lord.